All right, we've got a toilet here that is dripping. Let's take a moment of silence and listen in. So water is slowly dripping, and then it will actually fill up when that float gets low enough. It'll activate the auto on. You can see the water rising here. And this is what it does like all night. So there is a problem. And keep in mind, I'm not a plumber whatsoever. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this is what is working for me. So let's get started. It's either one of three things: a cracked toilet bowl itself, in which case there will be water on your floor. That would necessitate replacing your toilet more than likely, or a float issue, or a flapper issue. We've got no water on the floor. I am going to turn the water inlet off all the way. Move it just like that, and we'll flush the toilet. And what that does is prevent the water from coming back into the bowl. It will empty and drain everything. Because I suspect it is the flapper, because the water level originally was not overflowing into the tube, creating the drip, drip, drip. If that makes sense. If that were true, we would look at the float and whatnot. But I think it's the flapper. If we pull the chain up, you can see there's enough slack in the chain at rest position. So it's not like the flapper is being pulled up and not creating a strong seal for the water to go through. The flapper is resting firmly where it's supposed to. So we're going to take off the flapper. And it's kind of a pain to get the right angle here. There we go. And we're going to remove this rubber flapper. If it is indeed the flapper, we're going to have to replace it. But what I'm going to do first, though, to confirm my theory is correct, is clean it really well with a rag. Actually, I'm just using toilet paper. Don't recommend that. Get a rag out. It won't disintegrate and fall apart on you. And we're going to clean out off the underside of the rubber flapper really well. And we're also going to clean off where the flapper sits on the toilet bowl itself really well. And there's a bunch of grime and stuff that's kind of coming off of there. So that is likely what is going on in my particular case. We're going to put the flapper back on once that is nice and clean. Then we're going to test it out to see if that solved the problem. Now, if it doesn't solve the problem, we might need to look at the water level again to make sure it's not overflowing, or the cracked bowl. But we've already eliminated those two, so my understanding is this is the only possible source of the problem, a flapper. So you might need to run to the store and get a replacement flapper if this does not work. I would try that. So we'll turn the water back on and let the water automatically fill up. And you'll see what I mean with the water not overflowing. Can you see that as the water rises? It's not overflowing into the tube, so it's not that, right? Okay, let's listen in. Yeah, no drip. That solved the problem. So it was a flapper issue. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks so much.